the cryptocurrency price, Bitcoin price. It's been quite some time since I've read a forex book because recently I've been reading like a lot of wealth mindset, then motivational books. Then I find this one pretty interesting, Currency Kings. I'll do a book review on this because how billionaire traders made their fortune trading forex and how you can too. Alright, so stay tuned for it. So guys, I haven't been vlogging for a long time. Some haters were telling me, can you show me your stupid gym vlog because I don't need to see what you're doing in your gym. I'm like, okay, then don't watch it, dude. Like, why are you still like subscribe to my channel? But the reason I'm vlogging today is because Etienne is right here. He just ended an interview and Etienne's camera is dope. He has the gorilla pod going on, he has the Rode mic going on. I gotta upgrade, otherwise YouTube's gonna kick me out. Where I asked him a couple of questions on what does it take to become a successful trader. Right, I think Etienne is vlogging too, so yeah, hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna have both, which is perfect.
True. Top qualities that traders should have, so do check it out once we have released it. Etienne actually interviewed me for his podcast a couple of months ago.
That's a good one, yeah.
How long was it ago?
I don't know, we'll have to check the episode number. I think that it's so hard.
It was quite a long time ago.
Past 100, I kind of forget the numbers, so stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to,
and
go back.
Hopefully you like the podcast because, tell you something, alright? That time is like 1 a.m. Singapore time.
Yeah.
And I was in office for the whole entire day. I went for swimming training in the morning. So by the time I reached home, I'm like, it's time for bed. It's time for bed. Time to sleep. Then I'm like, oh no, there's an interview with Etienne. I get my mind together. Hopefully I don't say something stupid. I think it went well.
I think it went really well. People liked it. Yeah, a lot.
People liked it. I'm glad you liked it because I was just ready to crash. So just done with sending off Etienne. Hopefully I can do more collaborations in the next few months. I can't really talk right now. Gotta go for dinner now. So I haven't been vlogging for like 2 whole weeks, which is pretty long. Because I need to take a break from vlogging and produce more value content for you. Not that my vlogs doesn't have value. Maybe you feel that it doesn't have value. Because one thing about vlogs is that number one, it is harder to edit, okay, because you need a lot of like so-called special effects. And of course people want to see more of trading stuff, that's why I switched from vlogging to trading videos. But you know, I really can't believe that just 2 years ago when I started YouTube, because nobody's watching, I gave up. And it's only because recently when I really commit to it, then I start to attract all these collaboration partnerships. I'm just really grateful and most grateful for you. So I'm gonna eat dinner now, talk to you soon. So in the next few videos, I'll be doing on cryptocurrencies. Now I'm not saying that I'm an expert in cryptocurrency. I'll just share with you what I know based on the interaction with me. I know based on the interaction so far with my cryptocurrency expert friends, from my own research and also from talking to different people who have invested into cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum. What I'm focusing on right now are forex trading videos. So yeah, hopefully you'll like this new series. So sleepy, like really sleepy. I did manage to check the trades today, but I did went through while I was on my way to office. Very likely today there's no trades because if I trade, it will be breaking my trading plan. But today I'm looking more into the cryptocurrency price, Bitcoin price, just checking on it a little bit. Also recently talking to a few friends about it. The hype is really on. By the way, this is a new tattoo. It's a fake one, okay? Then there's another one here. Fake one too. Another one here. And I don't like real ones because my friend was asking me today, Karen, why not just go ahead and get a real one? I'm like, when you want to change it, then it's very hard. Then because I want to change things frequently, I don't want the same thing every day. So having temporary ones, you can change it once in a while, pretty cool. I think it's in Asian culture, tattoos is more like taboo, so especially when you're a professional speaker, okay? I don't really care about how other people see me, so don't care. You like it, then good. You don't like it, fine.